So I searched for posts about preemiehood and mostly I saw posts from foreigners. So wala masyadong post from Filipino moms. And then I encountered a Filipino group dito, preemie group dito sa Philippines and nag-join ako. And dun ko nakita na preemie moms support each other. So, by sharing their stories of hope, positivity, ganun. And kahit mahirap yung pinagdaanan, they share their journey.
Hi everyone! It's me again, Mommy Ara Casas Tumuran. Welcome back dito sa ating channel and welcome sa ating Vlogmas! Para sa episode na ito ay isa na namang Dabawenya Mommy ang ating guest. Walang iba kundi si Mommy Gree. Hello, beautiful mama! O, diba? Ang ganda!
Hi, Mommy Ara!
Pressure yung clip ko sa ganda mong yan. Diba? But thank you so much, Mommy Gree, for saying yes again. Nakapag-guest na po dito si Mommy Gree sa ating channel. We talked about breastfeeding a preemie. Diba?
Yes.
And it's one of the, parang ang dami kong natanggap na message after that. Actually, marami pala talagang mommies na they are struggling with breastfeeding sa kanilang preemie babies. Kaya good job ka dyan, Mommy Gree. And sabi ko sa kanila, I cannot answer their questions kasi ako personally hindi ko na-experience. Better na i-PM kanila. I hope nag-PM nga sila sa'yo.
Yes, medyo dagan po kong na-receive na PM. Oh my God, Bisaya.
Okay na. Nakatawa ko, ano yung mag-edit? Sige lang. But it's okay, Mommy Green. Sabi ko nga sa intro ko, another Dabawenya, Mommy. So magbisaya ta. Kung makabisaya ta, magbisaya ta, okay?
Okay.
Pero ansa, siguro most of our answers Tagalog or English lang.
Yes.
Makarelate din yung mga Tagalog moms natin. Diba? Chill lang ta. Kung dati mo medyo heavy to ang ano ba yan? Nagtuloy-tuloy na yung Bisaya ko. Kung medyo, yung previous topic natin medyo serious tayo doon, tapos maiyak-iyak ka pa noon, naaalala ko pa that time, kasi pinaalala ko sa'yo kung ano yung mga nangyari, di ba? Sorry for that. But now, tawa-tawa lang tayo kasi it's Christmas. Merry Christmas, Mommy Gree.
Yay! Merry Christmas!
Yes. O, diba? May paganito tayo sa atin.
May pa-puff sleeves.
Oo nga, puff sleeves. O, diba? Ayan. Sige, mahaba. Baka akala natin nagchichikahan na lang tayo dito. Sagutin mo na, Mommy Gree, ang mga katanungan natin. Number 1, how do you empower moms through your branding and niche?
At first, I created my brand, Millennial Preemie Mom, to share my experience as a first-time mom of a preemie. Syempre, it was extra hard on my part because I didn't know how to handle a baby, lalo na't preemie siya. So, I searched for posts about preemiehood and mostly I saw posts from foreigners. So, wala masyadong posts from Filipino moms. And then, I encountered a Filipino group, dito, preemie group dito sa Philippines and nag-join ako. And dun ko nakita na preemie moms support each other. So, by sharing their stories of hope, positivity, ganun. And kahit mahirap yung pinagdaanan, they share their journey. So, their stories encourage me to be extra brave and to empower others and give hope to other preemie moms and give some tips, and not just only for preemie moms but for also the moms who have encountered high-risk pregnancies. So yun yung naging
yes.
And reach.
And as I was saying kanina sa chikahan natin, di ba, ang dami mo nang natulungan. Sorry, medyo maingay dito kasi nagko-concert kapitbahay namin. Pero back to our serious topic konti, ang dami mo nang natulungan ng mga preemie moms and I admire you for that. Lalo na last month, November, na it was the Prematurity Awareness Month. You were so busy, Mommy Gree, with last month's activities, kahit online, di ba? Kahit simpleng chikahan lang sa group chat and yung mga activities ninyo. Good job ka dun, Mami Gwen. I admire you for that. So, agree din yung aso ng kapitbahay.
Nag-second emotion siya.
Nag-second emotion siya. Okay, question number 2. Ito pang Miss Universe talaga to. What is one learning experience that you had as a child made much impact on you?
One thing that I learned from my mom is to surrender everything to God. At first, I didn't know na how much that impact me in my life. Pero when I was on that very difficult situation na I had no wala talaga akong choice but to surrender because my strength is kulang talaga. Parang kung ako lang, walang-wala na. So, I surrendered everything to God and that made a very huge impact. Parang nawalan ako ng tinik agad-agad. And casting all your burdens to God. Parang hindi ka dapat mag-isip ng mga fears and anxiety because it's not it's from the devil. So, dapat i-cast mo everything sa Panginoon. And He will give you the hope, the strength, the faith, lahat-lahat. So, that's it. And yun.
Yes. That's so deep, Mami Gree. Anyway, ayan. Baka magkaiyakan pa tayo dito. Number 3 question na tayo. As a mom, name top 3 brands if you want. Kung pwede ka mag-name ng brands, pwede rin hindi. Na you love using for Inigo this year?
Okay, the top 3 brands na pinakagusto ko talaga is first, yung Johnson & Johnson's na Cotton Touch because it has the gentlest formula for Inigo and super hiyang siya. So, yun talaga yung ginagamit ko pag naliligo and a lotion, yun talaga. So, and super bango. Second is the Sacred all-in-one moisturizer. Di ba? Nakita ko na ginagamit mo din yun, Mami Ara. Because as a frontliner, grabe talaga, super dry na ng hands ko. And na-try ko na talaga na pag mag-biometrics, hindi na siya nag-read. So, ano na siya.
In yung fingerprints, hindi na binabasa?
Oo, hindi na nag-read. Sa super dry niya and nag-patch-patch na akin dito. So, yun. Then, I tried the all-in-one moisturizer na Sacred. Maganda siya. Hindi mo na kailangan ng lotion. And the third one is the Purine All-Purpose Cleaner. Ito. So, all-purpose cleaner, pwede mo siya gamitin sa mga toys ni baby. As in, lahat-lahat. Yung mga stain sa bathroom, sa mirror, pwede siya. So, yun. Kahit sa jewelry. Yun lang. Yung mga best
so nice, diba? So, nagkaka-idea din tayo with Mommy Gree sa mga ginagamit niya. O, diba? Bongga yun. Lalo na yung Purine. First time kong narinig yun. We would also like to try that. Anyway, ayan. Number 4, Mommy Gree, what is your Christmas message to parents who are watching this video?
Okay. My message is to everyone who's watching this video, I know this pandemic has hit us really hard. May mga nawala ng trabaho, yung mga negosyo nawala, and yung mga frontliners, diba, they have spent less time with their family. But this won't be forever. Lilipas din to. And as I said, we have to cast everything, our worries, our fears to the Lord para naman hindi nag-feed yun sa ating mind. So, we will get through this and this pandemic, it has also a silver lining. So, we have to think on the brighter side, the positive, diba? We have to spend time more with our family, ating kids, and ganyan. Pang bumudul kahit nakaka-stress, go pa rin because it's spending time. And this Christmas, if we have financial problems, sige lang, God will provide. He always provides.
Amen. He always provides, Jude.
Yes.
Ayan. Mommy Gray, thank you so much. That was very meaningful and may natutunan akong bago, yung Kirin. I would love to try that. And thank you again for being an empowered mama, lalo na sa preemie community. Ayan, nag-concert talaga yung kapitbahay namin dito. Ayan, Mommy Gray, bago pa super duper mag-concert sila dito, please plug your social media channels.
So follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's Mama Gray. And you can also follow me on my YouTube channel. It's Mama Gray. So that's it. Also, please follow Preemie Hood Davao for stories of Preemie.
Ayan, thank you so much, Mommy Gray. It's really always a good time na mag-talk sa imuha, as in, very light lang yun ang imong personality, and I really admire you for that. Yes, you're beautiful inside and out. That's really true. Wala char. Diba? Thank you so much, Mommy Gray. And para sa mga moms and dads na nagtanaw ani, of course, para kay Mommy Gray na nag-follow sa iya, please don't hesitate to comment below if you have Christmas wishes, Christmas messages for her, and do not forget to follow her sa kanyang social media channels. Once again, this is me, Mommy Ara, and see you until our next Vlogmas episode. Bye!
Bye!